Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Wizz app or website and signing in. This is where cancellations originate. Once logged in, go straight to your profile or account settings. Do not search menus aimlessly. Make sure you are on the account that holds the subscription, because changing accounts wastes time. If you used an app store, prepare that account too. Otherwise, proceed to subscription management inside Wizz so you can locate the active plan and cancel it. You now locate subscriptions or billing within settings. This is the control center for any recurring plan. Once there, select the active Wizz plan and open its details so you can confirm renewal date and amount. That explains timing and potential refunds. If you subscribed through Google Play or Apple, switch to that store app and manage subscriptions there, because Wizz may redirect you. Make sure to read cancellation consequences. Immediate loss versus access until period end, so you decide correctly. You press cancel subscription and follow prompts. Expect a confirmation step and a reason request, which you can skip. Once canceled, verify the status shows canceled or ends on a date. Save a screenshot and keep any confirmation email. If you don't see cancel option, check the App Store subscription page or the payment method that processed the charge. If problems persist, contact Wizz support with your account and payment details. They can confirm cancellation and issue refunds when applicable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.